So I'd like to put a shout out to Red Panda Mining, who sent me this power supply. It's an HP server power supply. He also sells some extra goodies, so I'm just going to open this up and have a look. But funny story, I actually gave him my wrong postal code. I gave him my old one, so this actually went to my parents' house first, which is, I'm in Alberta. They live about an hour north of Edmonton, and I'm 2 hours south of Edmonton. So it went to my parents, it got rerouted, then it ended up in Winnipeg, Manitoba, which is 2 provinces over, and now it's finally here. So Panda, it made it. So let's just have a look, see what all the stuff he actually sent here is. Is there anything in there? Okay, so open this up. Alright, so here's our power supply, HP server, so you can see there. That down. What else do we got here? Crap ton of wrapping. Oh, this looks like the breaker board. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So a 12. And then what is this? Another breakout board. Wow, I see how Panda has such a hard time all the time. This one-handed thing is kind of complex. But there we can see the other breakout board is right there. So we'll throw that over here. And then a bunch more wrapping stuff. Oh, looks like, get that in towards the light. Couple risers. Yeah, there's another one hiding there. 6-pin to 8-pin by the looks of things. Yeah. And then what is this? Oh, some 6-pin female to dual 8-pin, so some splitter cables. So yeah, sweet. Thanks a lot, Red Panda. Now I can finally put together that other rig I was trying to do. So right here, 4 of these cards are actually 8 gig, while the rest are all 4 gigs. So I got 8 4 gigs here and 4 8 gigs. So I'm going to take the 4 8 gigs, put them on with these, so that way these can all stay together. I'm going to have these 4 gig cards will all be together, 8 of them, to mine Ethereum Classic once the DAG does hit in the end of December there. So thank you again, Red Panda Mining, for sending those out to me. I'll probably do this video tomorrow or the next day. It depends, actually. Ethereum profits looks like it's going up again, so I'll wait till they drop back down and normalize, because I don't want to turn the rig off until that actually happens, because then you don't just be losing too much profit. So thanks, Red Panda Mining. Send that out, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Rabid out.